You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Yeah, he did good work. He did good work. That's my boy. Yeah, that blue one cut up real good. Yeah, I remember that. Yeah. Hey, yeah. You know you like working when you do that. You know we put it in there. We yeah. He told me, man, what's the one? That's the wrong way. Oh, shit. I drove, I'm from Philly, but I had an apartment in Richmond. Yeah, I shifted my car from Philly to okay, well, it ain't bad like that, though. Yeah. And I picked up the last one. It ain't bad, shit. Driving it, you know, it's way. Yeah, that's right. With it being heavy. Yeah. Looking good, man.
Yeah, he got my shit looking right.
Oh yeah, man, that's real nice.
You kept the factory looking at it too. Yeah, clean.
Yeah, man, he got to look good. What year?
It's a 2017 Nissan Maxima Midnight Edition. Two 15-inch DC audio level 5s. The 3.8s, 3 tweeters in each door, 2 5K DCs, and 2024.
Built by Memphis?
Yeah, Wrecklezz car.
Yeah, Wrecklezz out there, yep.
Big boy Memphis out there doing work.
He doing the work.
Pushing them from PA to VA.
All right, he gonna put it where that one.
Yeah, I'm telling you, man.
He don't care.
He got my next one coming in a couple months.
You gonna do another one?
Yeah, Tahoe.
Okay, you going all the way with that?
Yeah, I'm a big boy like that.
Okay, you going all the way up there? Okay.
Enough now.
It's just an everyday type of ride.
This is my daily driver.
Just go wherever you going.
Yeah, just me and my dog. We're gonna rip this seat out and do a custom bed for my dog.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I know when you hit the gas, I'm like, this can't be stopped.
Oh, nah. This is my baby.
Don't say don't stop.
Yeah, this is my baby.
Where can they find you on social media anywhere? You on online?
Nah, ain't on nothing. This is my first car show. We just finished
Oh, really?
last week.
So you just went all the way the first time?
Yep, John Doe Facebook.
Okay, yeah, I be sure to give him a follow.
Yeah.
You friends with Memphis, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, well, I should better
You'll find me on there.
Yeah,
for sure.
Appreciate it, bro. Yeah, man. Appreciate it.
You still rolling?
Yeah, it's still wrong.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so appreciate it, man. Tell
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.